Today I'll be sharing with you on Atomy's 100% Pure Spirulina. So it comes actually in a bottle of 120 capsule, 400 milligram each, and it contains natural chlorophyll. So what is spirulina? If you're not familiar, it's actually blue-green algae. Fancy way of saying it's actually pond scum. It grows in this tropical alkaline water, and the superfood is very high in source of protein, contains about 60 to 70% of protein. According to FDA, actually, it contains like high amount of calcium, magnesium, potassium, magnesium, iron. It's basically very high nutrition content, to support human life. So it's announced actually by this World Health Organization and the Food Agriculture Organization as the food of the future, even distributed by UNICEF to undernourished children and approved by NASA as a food for space travel. So spirulina can actually tolerate up to the temperature of 30 to 40% Celsius and a pH level of 9 to 11. It is cultivated from clean sea, and its membrane is actually made of pectin, which is a soluble dietary fiber. And this one enabled its digestion rate to be about 95% or even more. So as I mentioned earlier, it's considered as a food of the future. The protein is 60-70%. It contains about 60 different type of essential nutrients. The quality, which is basically protein, carbohydrate, lipids, dietary fiber, vitamins, mineral. And to break it down further, there's actually 18 types of amino acid, which is comparable to eggs. Then we have 15 types of fatty acid, 13 types of minerals, 12 types of vitamin, 5 types of antioxidants. Gram for gram, spirulina should be the most nutritious food on the planet. So Atomy Spirulina is actually cultivated from this location in Kona, Hawaii, where it's an island with very clean ocean and forest and clear seawater rich in mineral. You can actually find a lot of spirulina organic type from other sources, but then the source could be contaminated, high metal and such. But Atomy's one is from this location, is actually known for the clear seawater and even has a GMO-free certification, which means that it's not genetically modified. It's actually natural. Okay, what are the benefits of spirulina? Actually, there are a lot of benefits. In terms of skincare wise, it reduces wrinkle and increase in skin elasticity. And then many experts also said that it can even reduce risk of cancer and allergies. It's powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So it protects bad LDL cholesterol from oxidation, which is actually a key driver to many serious diseases. Example, in the step towards heart disease, in the oxidation is a process. The oxidation of this bad LDL cholesterol is a process towards developing heart disease. So spirulina, by taking it, will actually prevent that. And it's also effective. Studies have shown that it's effective in humans and also in animals. That's one of the reasons I'm also giving this to my dog. It may also reduce blood pressure. And another point that the reason I'm actually taking this is because it improves the symptom of allergies like nasal blockage, is like a nose block. So I would normally have at night, I will have nose block. In the morning, I will have runny nose. So actually after I take this spirulina, past few months, it actually has stopped. I take it on a daily basis that I can see the result better. So another thing is that it can also be used for anemia, which is low red blood cell, and this is fairly actually common and it's rather genetic. So I have actually this group of members. The whole family is taking spirulina. Previously, they have been taking from other brands, but they found out and studied that Atomy's one is very clean, the reliable sources, and is safe to take. So most of them have actually switched over to our Atomy Pure Spirulina. It also can aid in blood sugar control. And there are also some studies, you can actually Google it, it can even outperform some diabetic drugs too. So the Atomy's one come in this plant-based, odor-free plant-based capsule. And you can actually take it 1 capsule 2 times a day with water. I would recommend not to take it at night for those who's having sleeping problem, because actually it also kind of like make you energetic, because another part of the benefits is actually for athletes to improve the muscle strength and endurance, and prevent from damages, as well as keeping them active. Okay, with this, I've come to the end of the sharing. Thank you.